Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
We are excited to share yet another all-time favorite traditional Goan sweet. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to create this delicious delicacy that will surely become a hit at your home. This recipe captures the essence of Goan Christmas traditions, bringing back childhood memories with every bite. Made with fresh ripe guavas and just the right amount of sweetness, this traditional sweet is known for its unique texture and delightful taste. It is a must in every Goan Christmas platter. Our recipe for today is delicious Goan Perad, also known as Guava Cheese. So let's get cooking now. Step 1. Steaming the guavas. Take 3 ripe guavas which weigh around 650 grams. They should not be too soft or mushy. The guavas can either be white or pink inside. Wash them properly. Take 1 guava and cut it into 4 pieces. Remove the edges of the guava pieces. Peel or cut any blemishes on the skin of the guava pieces. Similarly, cut the remaining guavas. Place a pan on medium heat and add water in it. Keep a strainer on top of the pan and ensure the water is not coming in contact with the strainer. Place the guava pieces in the strainer. You can also use a pressure cooker for steaming. You just need to keep it for 1 or 2 whistles. Cover and steam for 15 minutes or more or until the guava pieces have become soft. You can poke a knife or fork to check if it is done. Once ready, keep them aside to cool completely. Step 2. Preparing the guava pulp. Once the guavas have cooled completely, put the pieces in a mixer grinder. Grind to a smooth paste. Ground guava pulp is ready. Take a deep bowl. Keep a fine strainer on top of the bowl. Add the ground guava pulp in the strainer. Press on the pulp with a spoon or spatula to pass maximum pulp through the strainer. We have ground the guava seeds along with the pulp as guava seeds have several health benefits. Guava seeds are rich in potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. They support heart health, they aid digestion, promote weight loss, and help manage blood sugar levels. Plus, they contribute to maintaining healthy vision. So why not use the benefits of the seeds? After straining, discard the remains in the strainer. We got around 2 cups of guava pulp. Guava pulp is ready. Step 3. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 cups of 500 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee or clarified butter, few drops of orange food color or any other color of your choice, 1 pinch of salt. Apply unflavored oil to a plate or a tray. Also oil the spoon that will be used for setting the perad. Step 4. Preparing the perad or guava cheese. On medium heat, in a wide open heavy bottom pan, add the guava pulp. Now add the sugar. Generally, the ratio of sugar to guava pulp is the same. For stirring, it is preferable to use a wooden spoon with a long handle, as the mixture will start to bubble and splatter while cooking. Add 1 pinch of salt. You can also use a silicone spatula to easily remove the mixture that is stuck to the pan. Stirring continuously will prevent the bubbling and splattering to a great extent. Be careful not to let the hot mixture come in contact with your skin. Also, as the mixture thickens, it will start to become difficult to stir. and using a wooden spoon will be of great help. Stirring continuously will prevent burning and sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. It will also prevent lumps from forming. Once the mixture slightly thickens, reduce the heat to medium-low, otherwise it will start to splatter and may burn at the bottom. Now add the lime juice. Stir everything nicely. We have added few drops of orange food color. Now stir everything properly. You can use any color of your choice. You can add or reduce the amount of color depending on your preference. You can even choose not to add color. It's completely your choice. We have put all our Christmas sweets in one playlist on our channel. Type Christmas sweets in the comment section and we will send you the link. We will also provide this link in the description box and pin it in the comment section. Once the mixture thickens further, add the butter or ghee. Stir continuously to prevent burning and sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and interesting recipes. The line test. To check if the mixture is ready, draw a clean line through the mixture with a spatula. If the line holds without the mixture immediately coming back together, it is ready. Cook for some more time as the mixture is still not ready. Once the mixture thickens, it will start leaving the sides and come together as a ball in the center. Repeat the line test. The line is now holding without coming back together immediately. Our mixture is now ready. Cooking time may be around 30 to 40 minutes or more depending on the level of heat. The cold water test. Take a bowl of cold water and add a small portion of the mixture in it. After a few seconds, roll the paste into a small ball. If it holds its shape and is smooth and doesn't stick to your fingers, the mixture is ready. Once ready, remove the pan from the heat. Perad or guava cheese mixture is ready. Step 5. Setting the perad or guava cheese. Transfer the perad mixture immediately to the plate or tray. Use the grease spoon to level and smoothen the mixture. Keep around ½ inch thickness for the perad and work your way around the plate or tray. Once done, let it cool down completely. Apply oil to the cutting surface and the knife. Unmold the perad and place it on the greased cutting surface. Using the greased knife, first cut the edges that are uneven. Now cut it into squares, diamonds, or any shape you prefer. Clean and grease the knife before cutting to prevent it from sticking. Do this repeatedly to ensure a smooth cut. Store the cut pieces in an airtight container and consume within 15 days. Delicious Goan Perad or guava cheese is ready. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members through WhatsApp and Facebook.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.